Hello, thank you to my 400 subscribers. Kakipa e. Before I make my future videos, there was this short message that I wanted to communicate to my humble viewers. If you notice my videos, videos or Eipao thuma Eipao thum kamanzi hin Nepali thadou to English Nepali wang kaman sele subtitles ka ko isinge, but thadou to English hi ka mix hin na. And I might receive future viewers on I hear nom like you might think, or I might even start receiving comments such as critical comments such as Ibola English na to ham, Ibola thadou pao things that na to thailo ham tia. And I think my viewers deserve to know why, because they have humbly subscribed my channel. Jise ichi video ahi chichu kan say diahin. In future also, after I make this video, if I receive certain critical comments regarding my language, I will let it pass by. I will not explain na, because I thought they deserve to know an answer. I'm making this one. The first reason is English to thadou hi keima dinga hi. It's like everybody has a way of speaking. Keima dinga hi normal way of communication hi. This is my natural way of talking. This is how I talk. For example, first line hi tha nadam dam hinam katile, the next line will be how's life na. So it's like English and thadou, it just goes like one after the other, one by one, sentence tabanga kaman siyahin. It's really natural of me. Kaloile gul honas na dong te hin, that you can ask them. Second reason hi keima dinga hi thadou pao hi, I am not very fluent, as fluent as I should be. Because keima dinga hi Nepali pao I am very fluent. Azechu, I was born and brought up in this country. Hilaya hi kana ping din hin inlang zong kaha hong khalo. Yes, I have not been to Inlang. Like I have been there, but not so many times. Jise thadou pao I'm not very good. And another reason also, it's because from a very young age, 14-15 lohinte ministry ahi kalut nahitan, and then ever since Nepali is the language that I'm using to communicate to my people here. Reading songle, preaching songle, teaching songle, Nepali pao hi by the grace and mercy of God ekdam fluent kahin. Yeah, like I can read, I can read, I can write, I can listen everything in Nepali. Keima dinga hi pathin gift banga na. Epithin malen gam na to dinga gift banga AP ahin. Yes. So khavele chu ibola thadou pao hi dei pangen ka tho thailo ham serious conversation ka tho thaina chu. It's not that bad. No. I can have good conversation. Partisan conversation chu kabol thaina chu. Zongle serious discussion na. Chewang chu themhat ka struggle zi ahin. Amy theologian group so azong in sorry the thadou pao question no hong tengle. Everybody starts responding in thadou pao. Ken zong ka don but nomzi, but I am not fully able to do so. English apa sa don but this zong English avit sa agil khandem katizina. Yeah, but then tabanga thadou pao de banga ka tho thelo tia khavele lung hung nyau zi tengle thadou pao I phat zol pana ka tho thaya Nepali pao ka tho thelo laya ipiti pathena ka to de ka gel tengle pathenin gif banga ap hinte kati hilanga ki uma inlanga ki uma in thadou pao tho thelo ewang chu yanna. That's another thing, but I'm here, and here everyday language is in Nepali. So yes, that's why video also. And then you may ask me that videos also direct English on kisim te he tiana. So the reason why I use thadou is I love speaking my mother tongue. Ka mother tongue hi ketahla. I am always with Nepali people. I'm talking to them, and my seminary friends also sapao kimansi. So at least, and I don't even have very much Amy friends also kanelo. So YouTube abe to communicate with my Amy people. At least let me use my language katina. And also English, young people and all today, most of us can understand English. Everybody can understand English, but can kaigma gyal dan su ka videos ho hi kanu to ka ki ho teng ka pa to ka ki ho teng hi in langa note pate ho sapao ho hello hon zong ko videos hi vet dinga ka dei sa zia na ka phal zia chu I am continuing I'm making videos in thadou and I will continue to do so. It's not easy for me, but sometimes I take help. I ask my closest friends to translate some of the lines for me, and amahon able beating kabai hadzi, and then I say na. So yeah, I love speaking my mother tongue and I will continue to do so. English or hung thing live. Please hit him, nay hit him. It's my humble plea, it's my humble request. Lastly, why am I even making videos? So for all these years, life has been a little busy with studies, with ministry, with so many things. So now that MTS Katsaya Temkhat, I'm taking a break from everything. So I thought, why not make the most of this time and yeah, make some YouTube videos where I will be sharing about our ministry here. Not just that, maybe some parts of our family life as well. YouTube videos and hilanga so many years tana in langa kapute kapate hon Eipao luham agam zong amu khalo mai thei, and there are so many people across the globe praying for us. Ama hodinga okay, maybe these videos can help me connect with them more katia. This is my attempt to stay connected. At the end of the day, all for the glory of God. Imazo say glory pathin lo watsoina dinga pathin lo pina dinga. So I hope I was clear, I was able to explain. Yes, and do keep supporting my channel. I would need all of your support. Kakipae, thank you.